Assalamu alaikum guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, today we have another discussions related to the experimental probability, and that discussion is again from Sir Masaya book, and we have one important questions here. A sided die, six sides die, numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rolled 150 times. Yani 6 sides die numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, rolled 150 times. The frequencies for possible scores are given in the table. That is the score. When the score is 1, so how many? What is the frequency to get score 1? 25. Similarly, what is the frequency to get score 2? 31, 3, 34, 4, 27, 5, 24, 6, 9. Okay. Now, which score has the lowest frequency of, relative frequency of 0.18? कौन सा ऐसा स्कोर है जिसकी relative frequency is this one 0.18? Now what evidence is there to suggest that this die is biased? How you will decide that this experiment or this die is biased? Okay, let's start. Okay, first of all, find out the sum of frequencies. Sum of frequencies. अच्छा बच्चों, क्योंकि why I am calculating sum of frequencies? Because in case of relative frequencies, you need to find out the total sum of frequencies. Without total sum, you cannot find out the relative frequencies. Okay, so you need to find out the sum of frequency. It is the first step for every question. कुछ क्वेश्चन में given है, कुछ में given नहीं है, then you need to find out yourself. Okay, sum these values. Yes, and 25 plus 31 plus 34 plus 27 plus 24 plus 9. Okay, now the sum of frequencies is 25 plus 31 plus 34 plus 27 plus 24 plus 9, that is equals to 150. Okay, now first part, which score has the relative frequency of 0.18? Okay, what is the formula of the relative frequency? Your part A is relative frequency equal to frequency divided by sum of frequencies. Okay, sum of frequencies. Okay, yes. So what is the relative frequency? 0.18 is here. It is already given in the questions, and the frequency you need to find out. Frequency आपने find out करनी है, and sum of frequency is 150. So multiply by this value 0.18 multiply by 150. So your frequency is your answer of what? A. What is your answer is 150 multiplied by 0.18. So your answer is 27. Yani frequency is 27. Okay, that is your relative frequency. Now the part B is here. What is the part B? Part B is what evidence is there to suggest that this die is biased? Okay, so for biased dies, for biased, okay, for biased dies, yes, what evidence is your dice is biased? For biased dice is, let me correct the spelling, is here biased dice, okay, biased die. क्या करना है बच्चों? टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी को डिवाइड कर रहा हूं सम ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, सम ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी divided by number of sides. क्या हुआ भाई? सम ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी 150 डिवाइडेड बाय 6, इट इज 25. क्या मतलब हुआ इस चीज का? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि भाई when we divide total frequency among 6 sides die, so average of frequency is equal to 25 for each outcome or each die. मीन्स कि अगर उसको 150 दफा रोल किया जाए, क्लियर, तो 1 आने की एवरेज फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है? 25 है, 25 है. एंड सिमिलरली व्हाट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी टू गेट 6, 3, 4? देयर इज 25. अब नाउ मैच दिस एवरेज वैल्यू with given frequencies. So now you can find out that it is just score 1 is just equal to 25, no deviation. Score 2, score 3 are more deviated because these values are larger than 25, and similarly 6 is 9, that is more less than 25. So it means that according to this frequencies, when we match this average frequencies, this experiment or this die is biased. Okay, right? अगर ये हमारा इक्वल होता कि यानी सारी वैल्यूज इस तरह होती 25, 27, नाउ 24, 25, 26, तो we say that कि this experiment is not biased. Majority of the frequencies nearest to average frequency. Now here in this case, some frequencies are more away from this average frequency, particularly for score 2, 3 and 6. Okay, so now we can conclude here this experiment this die is biased because average frequencies of score, yes, what, 2, 3 and 6 are away, are more, have more, are more away from average, away from average frequency. That is 25. You got my point? So that is the answer. This is the answer of this question. So now we have completed questions of relative frequencies from this book. Now in the upcoming video we will have questions related to the space, sample space diagram, and then we will try to solve these questions. Now in the coming video I will select some important questions from the recent past paper related to the relative frequencies, and then I will discuss in my coming video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. That was from my side.